February, Lake Baikal at Get Late. I'm here, and it's not as cold this morning, only about minus, I don't know, 25 or something, or 23. So a little bit warmer, and my goggles are frozen up at the top, but I can still see a little bit. But we're here on an ice floe that had happened once, and it's all shards of ice here, as you can see in back of me here. All different shards. We're going to take a look at that a little close up here in a second here, but don't have too much time because the camera will freeze up on me here. So, okay, got to get going here and show you this. All right, my friends, see you later. Okay, we're going to take a look at the ice here, and it's like thick, gigantic pieces of glass here. You can see some of them thickness here. Little pieces here. You can go under there and see that. Now I have to get back up. All right. Here's one here, so I don't slip and fall. A nice big chunk right there, sticking out of the ground there. There you go. All right, there's the whole ice field here. Yeah, here's a piece of the ice I just picked up. Got some bubbles in it. You might be able to see. There it is.